So this is the formula that we are going to apply in this question. Now how to apply this? Welcome to daily practice. In this video I will explain you solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end and get complete understanding of each and every step that is used to solve this question. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it to me on my Instagram handle. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. Differentiate with respect to x. So we have to differentiate tan inverse of under root of x, which is standard inverse trigonometric composite function. Now, how to differentiate composite function? For that, there is a standard formula. Derivative of tan inverse of f of x with respect to x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus f of x bracket square multiplied by derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x. So in this way we apply the chain rule and differentiate this given standard inverse trigonometric composite function. On further simplifying this, what I will get? F dash of x divided by 1 plus f of x bracket square. So this is the formula that we are going to apply in this question. Now how to apply this? Here we have standard inverse trigonometric composite function, that is tan inverse of f of x, and we are going to compare tan inverse of f of x with tan inverse of under root of x. So on comparison, what we can conclude? F of x is equal to under root of x. So derivative of f of x with respect to x will be f dash of x is equal to derivative of under root of x is 1 upon 2 under root of x. Now I know the value of f of x and f dash of x. So I will put these values in this given formula. Then what I will get? Derivative of tan inverse of under root of x is equal to f dash of x. Here f dash of x is 1 upon 2 under root of x. So 1 upon 2 under root of x is divided by 1 plus f of x bracket square. So here f of x is under root of x. So what I will get? 1 plus f of x. What is f of x? Under root of x and its bracket square. So in this way I have substituted the values of f of x and f dash of x in the standard formula. Therefore on further simplification, what I will get? D by dx tan inverse of under root of x is equal to 1 upon 2 under root of x into 1 plus this root and square will get cancelled. So what I will be left with? 1 plus x. Therefore derivative of tan inverse of under root x is 1 upon 2 1 plus x under root of x. As we cannot simplify this further, this is the final answer for this given question. I hope you have understood the application of the formula to differentiate this standard inverse trigonometric composite function of tan inverse. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can also try to solve this question using theorem of derivatives of inverse function. Once you solve this, check the final answer that you have obtained with the answer that I have obtained in this video. If both are same, then your answer is correct. So you can use that method to practice and as a part of self study. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.